You know, say actually, these are the fastest song, boss.
Fast, yes.
These are the song when me involved in our bus the fastest. Swear. Huge white and all of that, yeah. I bless it, man, I clean up. Yeah. Zoom in on it there, zoom in on it there.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you don't know, so the attacking boss, they are the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, as I see the title, you don't know where the attacking boss are forward with my people. And first of all, I want to say, I not bad mind no artist, no producer, or no whatever them say them a co-write song and them something there. We not bad mind nobody. But we just have to talk the truth to make the people them know the truth, my people. Because in the end, people that do things to make other people look bad. You see me? And I try to tear down other people. And in the rightful mindset of people, we have to make people know the truth and reality what going on out there. There's a lot of people want to see out there, them fake, them bad mind, and them envious, and them jealous of other people. You know what I mean? And them need to come down. Them need to get attack. No joke about it, my people. Well, my viewers and subscribers, if we don't go over now, me dey over IG. Now say if we don't go over, me dey over IG. And you know, so normally I scroll through IG, things will just pop up. So I saw this thing pop up now with Kemar McGregor. That are the producer who one night time said that produce Amari and you know what I mean, whole heap of people. But you know, say Kemar McGregor, couple years back, my people, good amount of years back, he produced some good music. I mean, I go around that. He work with Cargo and whole heap of artists, whole heap of good reggae music he produce. But time goes by, my people, and him think not connect like that no more. So you know, so nothing not connect like that no more, and you want to make yourself back out there, you will do anything. Wish him have a piece of food, so he can pay some money and try put back himself out there. You know, so you have social media marketing and them thing, them people, right? So what him do now, link up with Etana, link up with Beenieman, my people, for do a tune. Which, honestly, we're not going to go around the thing. The tune, nice. Is it? Very good tune. Name Guide Over Us. And them released the video on YouTube and thing, and them thing there. About 2 months ago, 2 months ago or something like that. Zin? In the end, my viewers and subscribers, as me say, me know say this can send people to go view the thing. For sure, this song is a good song. Good reggae music, good vibration. With Beenieman Etana. Very great song. Very good video. I love it. But I'm just saying, naturally, my people, if you do something good, where does generate it good and make it naturally go good with the people, make the people gravitate to it, than you have to like beg people, you know what I mean, or then pay for views for the thing. Honestly, you know, we's a YouTube creator. I'm doing YouTube for almost a decade now, being a YouTube creator. Work with YouTube and everything, my people. Zin? And you know, say, a lot of time I be scrolling to YouTube, and you know, like ads do pop up. You know what I mean? Pop up. And this song pop up as ads a lot of time when me I watch a video. And you know why? They sponsored the video, my people. So you pay for sponsor. Even my videos on my channel, I can pay to sponsor them. And while I watch as a ads, it will just run as a ads. You see me? That's what they do, my viewers and subscribers. So the video, basically, them sponsor it big. It get over 7 million views in 2 months. Kemar McGregor post it up on his YouTube something. We have 55.8k subscribers. You see me? The video generate 1,000.5 comments, 146k likes. Zin? Statistically, when I check the comments, you see people from some country where they're way back around, so way back over, so. Zin? And I think I did do talk about this thing already. My people, you know what? One of the most hurtful thing now, what I see them do? And when Kemar McGregor now team up with Footahype, Etana now, and I say, yo, them award just arrived. So the award that just arrived, people. You know what is the award that just arrived, right? Yo, you see people, them a drama. I tell you, them a real drama. Them say the award arrived from YouTube because the song get over 7 million views. So YouTube send them plaque for that. 7 million views. My people. No, so you don't know, we have links and connection. So seriously, we have to contact up on YouTube quick, and link up and say, yo, what go on? I never know that there's a new thing on YouTube now where you are giving plaques for views, because I know the plaque always be for subscribers count. So if you never know people, subscribers count, if you have over 100,000 subscribers there, you can get a silver play button. If you have over 1 million subscribers, then you qualify to get the gold play button. And then if you have over 10 million subscribers, then you can get the diamond button. You understand me, people? Which that's one of the biggest achievement on YouTube, as getting a reward as a plaque. If YouTube shall pay for views or song, the people, boy, me I tell you, Chronic Law, Zane, Skeng, Valiant, Craft, Pablo White, yo, you have to say every one of them dancehall artists, them people, reggae musician. You know how much plaque them are going to have, especially Vibes Cartel, eh? What plaque them are going to have could have full all 10 container of plaque too. When YouTube done build plaque for views the people, Zin, listen what I say, man. Come on, McGregor, me know say, we don't want the thing look up there. And Footahype jump in a video to you know. You see people, because you know say him will do anything when it come on to Vibes Cartel. He want to do anything for Shade Cartel. But at the truth, brethren, when I pay for the market these things, bro. But in the end of the day, you know what I mean? Only thing I know about this song, you know, as I said, this song I got Jagide over Rose. And you know me, I talk about, you know, honest people when I go back down there, say, God, what I mean? Because this song is not a hit song with a trend. You know what I mean? On a sponsor the thing, bro. You see me? Stop take people for fool, me done. Stop take people for fool. You come on, McGregor, you're a big producer, youth. You see me? I will not go around that. You're a big producer. Me remember them time there, bro, when I hear award that you were real award we are talking about my people, and this came on McGregor take down awards like for every little thing. You came on McGregor the winner. Came on real award enough for your work when put in. You see me, bro? But honestly, your time does a, you know what I mean? Do the right thing, bro. We understand, see, you sponsor the thing, you want the thing, but you know what I mean? Why I don't see the sense, people? When you paid for views on a song, you understand, and push it out there in Russia, done in some country nobody even hear about, and you know what I mean? That's so YouTube sponsor the thing that them blast in some country which you can select which country you want for more listen to it. You can, you see me? But I'm just saying, my people, why the man them not just do the right thing? You know how much good reggae music out there, real top artists and people where can't get 1 million views. Me I talk from some big top artists, reggae artists. And you go for you say, come on, McGregor now, just come and find a song with Etana. Etana where, you know what I mean, where they gone for so long. And Beenieman now. When Beenieman put up a music video upon film thing, we have much more subscribers than Kremar McGregor, my people. And he hardly can pass on 200,000 views. And you go tell me, say, we did 2 months, brethren. We don't have to take people for idiot. Because one thing I say, NEWLINK cannot fool me done. We don't stop take people for fool. You know what I mean? And just alone I buy views, you know. There's a lot of artists that buy views. I mean, can say, if Vibes Cartel for start buy views, brother, you know how much views, millions I'm going to get? I will not just start about Cartel too. We only part of artists too. If they ever start buy views. When I look for dancehall artists like Craft, Valiant, and them youth there, them do them thing, bro. La Boss, man, them do them thing. 6 Boss, as a dancehall artist, them do them thing. And if they shall be buying views, and natural views the artist them a get. Natural thing the man them a get. You see me? Why you know want to just feel like, yeah, we hit over 7 that. I say, yo, but the one thing I want to tell you, Kemar McGregor, I want to link, you know, because them something that who you get build them, you know, them do a great job, brethren. And if you can link me and give me the link, man, because I want to make a couple of them things that you see me, and have them put up in my studio. You know, them look good, brethren. Even though I get my silver button already, which you don't know what, I just sit down and clean it up and thing. But them one day where you average in them look good. You see me, I'm more, yeah man, me that like it. You see me, people, yo, me not lie, the artists never stop them something, yeah man. The artists and producer, bro, stop buying the thing them and make real music talk for themselves, bro. If you don't have the good music, you don't need to buy views of people, you're nothing. You know what I mean? Let the music talk for itself. You have Spotify, you have how much things you can blast a song pan, bro. You see me, that's why I love Spotify, you know. Because them things you can't go buy nothing pan. A real thing, bro. A real musical platform, them thing, you see me. But you know, so you can pay for your song for you go out there. And just like any video me have, I pay for my video go out there and make how much views, I can do it and still try to look back money in return, see when I get views. You know, so YouTuber pay we as creator when you get views and ads run pan with song and them thing there. You know what I mean? But in the end too, when I sponsor these videos sometimes, then YouTube just start running ads on it too. So you know that go. Because you know what, I sponsor this, you know, if you are pay them to sponsor something for you, right, to make you get views, why them I go pay you when it get the views back? You see, it's like them I give back and sell the money, so they have a thing too. You see me, but a big song anyway, no people. The song sound good and the video, but me just say, them fi stop try to take people for fool, bro. Because all the comments down people smart, you know, bro. And people are commenting and make them know, so look at we are not fool. This the right, I buy the views. You see me, but big up on yourself anyway. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, man. And Footahype too is a great, you know, man, you know, if you do promotion good, a good worker too. You see it? Yeah, man, you might work with them, man. But you don't know people. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. You don't know X. You don't know Snapchat. You don't know the Clock Up TikTok. NEWLINK Production Attacking Boss. Remember to do subscribe to the channel, my people. Leave in the comment section what you think. Like up the video, my people. You don't know one team, you know. One dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Stay blessed, stay safe. And that's the right thing, my people. Blessings, big up, attack.